So for today's hot new product unboxing, we've been sent an amp by our friends at Aunex. It's the AC110.5D, and I'm told it's a very feature-packed compact amplifier. Now it's a 5-channel amplifier, so the idea is that you can power your whole system from your front speakers to your rear speakers and a dedicated subwoofer channel as well, all on the one amplifier. So before we actually get inside, I'm going to take a look at the box because the box is actually pretty cool. So they've gone so far as to map out the actual amplifier on the box itself. So on one side you'll find the illuminated panel, that's where your power input is, and a handful of other controls. And on the other side, you find a bunch of inputs and outputs and other controls as well. And on the front, they've even been so nice as to include the measurements and all the controls you'll have available so that you know exactly what you're going into when you're installing this in your vehicle. And it is good for cars, boats, marine, motorcycle, and everything in between because of its compact size. So I'm just gonna dig into this thing quickly and we'll get everything on the table. One of the really unique features about this amplifier, which is what I have in my hand here, is a remote gain control. So you can set this up and on the fly you can adjust with a dial the gain of the amplifier, so you can make some fine adjustments once you've got everything set up. Wow.
I love you.
So it is dense, but overall it's pretty lightweight given its size. And it's clearly got a bunch of cool heatsink materials, and all of the hardware is actually very, very nicely put together, so you can see on both sides. I know right on the box it lists some of the power. So at 4 ohms bridge you can get 300 watts by 2 channels. At 2 ohms you can get 150 watts by 4 channels. And you can also get 100 watts by 4 channels at 4 ohms. It also has the separate sub channel, which can give you 500 watts on the one channel at 2 ohms. Or at 4 ohms you can get 300 watts on the one channel. So in addition to variable high pass and low pass crossovers, it also has all sorts of equalization options and an input mode selector, so you can run it in 2 channels or the 5 channels. So if you want to just have it set up for subwoofers and speakers, it's an option to simplify your installation. It has a 4-gauge power and ground terminal and an 8-gauge speaker output terminal. So this is definitely set up to run some serious high-powered systems. So all in, Aunex's AC110.5D is a versatile and feature-packed amplifier designed for an entire system amplification. It uses the newest IR chipsets by International Rectifier and makes amplifying an entire system a snap, since you're only installing one amp that can easily power your front and rear speakers as well as the subwoofer. For more information, be sure to visit aunexusa.com and you can order yours there.